Go kill him, you know.
Of course.
Then we can go kill him.
What you talk about, bro?
A Jelani I represent for DOE and Black. Kick back, relax, watch the best of the best.
If you bad man ain't like see me, scroll on. That's it.
So me I say if them know well I know them know our flow them can overthrow for the body setter review them have to link with for know. Welcome back to the channel at the way and they upon the block with a fresh upload. So real quick for my people, please me I beg you no, leave a like on the video, it really helps a lot. Share the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notification to get notified. And my people, you know say I have a video more share with you still and please to keep in mind say the video has no audio. But in the video, you know, clearly see a box truck at a car when all of a sudden it's like the car just flip over flat bridge into the river. And you know, see one hombre jump out of the truck and basically go jump in the river to save the man that was in the car. Sources me a hear still say, yo, the two man them are brother. Both the one who jump in the river and the one who go get saved. Are brother them. But luckily my people, as far as me I hear, no one got badly hurt, you see me? So check out the video and let me know what you think in the comments. And my people, this next video is from a drive-by that took place on Mullines Road Monday evening. The man in the car is said to be a JDF soldier, you see me? So while going about in business, two men pull up on a motorcycle. Them open fire hitting everyone in the car because the driver was not alone. Me here say the car did full. Which me here say soldier used the vehicle, run the bike man off of the road, which the two of them must end up crash and unalive and spot. And that me here still my people, but you know how YouTube policy stay still, me now can show the whole of the video, but me go do as best as me can, so you check this out.
What's that, man? Then you got hit job and crash and dead. Karma. A karma that no? Boom, bonnet. You find out, yes? The driver is shooting this now. That's a bullet tool. Bonnet. Yeah. Bumbo clot. Bumbo clot.
Mask up the king there.
Bumbo clot. Oh, two gunmen that? Bumbo clot.
Rifle over there, sir.
Bumbo clot.
Yo, we there,
I mean, so no man, no one thing that they are going to hurt the side.
Bumbo clot. Shit. Bomb in the battle. Bomb. Bomb buckler. Yo.
And my people, I don't know if you hear about the Asian man where them catch preparing a dog, in a Jamaica, yeah. Which we all know that in some country, the consumption of dog and other animal that people use as pet is basically legal in some country, but in Jamaica, eating dog, cat, and them thing there is just illegal and nasty. My viewers and my subscriber, me hear say, oh, the hombre own a big Chinese restaurant in a half a tree. A good thing me no name Chinese food. And as me say my people, eating dog and them thing there in Jamaica, it is illegal. So me hear say the hombre was fined $60 million for preparing illegal meat. And again my people, you know how YouTube policy stay already, so me I go try fix up the video, the graphics part, and try show it as best as I can for my sensitive viewers. So wanna check this out.
Jordan Wilson. According to reports, Mr. Wilson was the sole occupant, reportedly lost control of his vehicle. It is understood that his car crashed into a concrete utility pole, then burst into flames. The incident happened sometime after 2 Sunday morning. Now, since the start of the year, the country recorded 26 road fatalities, the same figure as the corresponding period in 2024. And today's crash brings the number of road crash victims.
We kick back up on a big fat split. Bounce, use a fake button, that's it. Plastic, girl, you know all I am. Blacksmith, crash split, girl, cock up is a 10, hop skip, back flick. Wow, athletic, that's gymnastic. Yeah, me cock a big fat split, that's sick. What is under me nose? I'm out. What we are gonna do with bad mind?
We never give up, dog, we not stop try. Have to get up, dog, no wait one time, bang a line, go walk, dog. Believe. The GLE I go come, dog, a 9.5. When you see me pull up, dog, the moon top fly. One time we did brought, dog. You see me, I say, so you have to believe.
A very special big up to all who made it this far in the video. You guys know that you're highly appreciated. Do me a small favor, please leave a like on the video, you see me? Share the video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notification to get notified. So until next time, be you in. Oh.